If you want to take your nutrition seriously this year, lose weight, build muscle, and actually fuel your body properly, this app could potentially save you up to $1,000 a year on a nutritionist. So this calorie tracking app might be the only app you need. It's a nutrition and calorie tracking app that legitimately makes tracking effortless. Combined with your AI-powered Fitia Coach, one of the features alone could potentially save you thousands on a nutritionist, but more on that shortly. In this video, I cover the food logging experience, the user interface, Fitia Coach, and whether the app is actually worth your time and money. Now, by far, this is one of the best food logging experience I've personally had, simply just because of how simple and smooth the entire user interface was. So you essentially add tab and you're instantly presented with multiple options to log food. The process is fast, clean, and frictionless, and this experience becomes even more powerful once the Fitia Coach is integrated into it. Now, when you search for the food item, Fitia shows the traditional calorie and nutritional information like most apps. However, the key difference is what happens when you analyze the food with your Fitia Coach. The app provides a nutrition score that evaluates how nutritious the food is and how well it fits into your daily goals. And this applies not only to healthier food choices, but also junk food or food that isn't so great for you. And that really helps provide awareness for the type of food you're eating for the entire day. And also, it's not judgmental. Now, Fitia also allows users to scan food items, take a photo of meals to estimate calories and nutrients, or log food using voice input. Truthfully, it does a really good job with just taking pictures of it, and it takes all the guessing out of it. And if you analyze it, it gives you a score. So nutrition-wise, it's moderate, which isn't terrible, but does it fit my goals? Well, currently it says it doesn't fit. So I'll have to work around how much I'm going to have to eat. Now, the photo logging features is especially my favorite because I love eating out, and it's simple as taking a picture of your food and seeing exactly what type of nutrients and calories I'm putting to my body. Now, voice logging also works extremely well, allowing users to list their foods verbally and then automatically logging it into the app. Today, I'm having some pasta with some lean ground beef and some tomato sauce, plus a little salad on the side with some sweet onion dressing. And let's see what it says. So instead, this time it says it's 600 to 92 calories, and it gives you a general idea of what you're having. So now, one of Fitia's most unique features is their recipe generator. Now, basically, users can tell Fitia Coach exactly what ingredients they have available, and the app will generate recipes based on specific goals, such as high protein meals, breakfast, or lunch, or a goal-oriented nutrition. So, for example, I entered Greek yogurt and selected a high-protein breakfast goal. Fitia immediately generated a full recipe, and ingredient list, nutritional values, and cooking instructions. And this feature significantly reduces decision fatigue and makes meal planning so much more simple and convenient. Now, if the calorie tracking experience wasn't exceptional or amazing already, Fitia also includes additional features that enhances the way you use the app. So within the bottom menu, there is a Teams feature that allows users to participate in challenges with others working towards similar health goals. Now, I was personally impressed by how large and also diverse the Fitia user base was. And just the community aspect makes food logging and your engagement with Fitia just that much more holistic and intuitive. So for example, if you join a community or a Fitia challenge, you get a point system to work off of. Now, depending on the community, basically meeting calorie goals earns 10 points, being slightly over or under earns 3 points, and missing your goals entirely is 0 points. Now, there is also a leaderboard system, which adds a nice competitive element, which makes engagement with the challenge a little bit more fun. Now, the progress section acts as a central hub for all the users' data. Basically, it allows users to review their daily calorie intake, progress photos, and weight trends over time. And additionally, you can customize data points that include carbohydrates, protein, water intake, sleep, and steps. Now, speaking of data, Fitia syncs also with Apple Health, allowing it to incorporate activity data and neat calories from wearables into daily calorie targets. This provides a more accurate and dynamic nutrition experience. So currently, Fitia Premium starts at $14.99 monthly or $59.99 annually. Now, compared to major competitors like MyFitnessPal, Fitia actually costs $20 less annually than the MyFitnessPal app. This makes it more competitive, but also more affordable. And honestly, for its design, Fitia does offer one of the most intuitive, clean, minimalistic designs I have used from a nutrition tracking app. I find that the minimal design really does help you focus specifically just on food logging and away from all the clutter and data that you don't need. So with all that being said, with the integration of AI with the Fitia Coach, this app really does make nutrition feel super effortless. It'll save you time in the kitchen, reduce uncertainty around specific food choices, and it removes so much guesswork from all that meal planning that you might have spent hours to do. So, is Fitia worth it? With how Fitia effectively uses their AI in-house with the Fitia Coach, the annual subscription does offer a lot of strong value, particularly for those who have a nutritionist and is already paying that amount or more monthly. So if you are someone that wants to save some money and wants to take their diet seriously without having a nutritionist, this is definitely the app for you. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Now, if you found any value out of this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. It lets me know that I'm making good content and I'm not talking to a camera for absolutely no reason. With that being said, I will see you guys next Saturday. If you want to see anything to do with lifestyle tech and fitness, you know where I'm going to be. Peace out.